Hi everyone, so it's Coach Fred here going over question number 39 and 43 from the official College Board Study Guide Practice Test 1 Writing. So I want to make sure if you've watched my other videos, you know that I don't like us to get into the trap of when we're looking at the writing questions of it doesn't sound right, because that's just not going to give us any more success than we've already had. What you really want to do is ask what you're being tested on. And in this case, if I'm looking at the question, what am I being tested on? I can see that they're asking me to see what effectively combines the sentences. So anytime we're talking about combining sentences, you're talking about the syntax, okay? And we want to make sure that we are looking to improve the flow or cohesion. And we don't want to add more words if they're not needed. We want to make it as concise as possible, okay? And not have any redundancies. So let's look at this one. And it says it wants to combine these sentences. So also studies have found that those students who major in philosophy often do better than students from other majors in both verbal reasoning and analytic writing. These results can be measured by standardized test scores. Okay, so there's a lot of words going on there. These results. But it's already really talking about the students doing better. So I don't know that we need these results in it. And I happen to look and see that both D and B have the results in them. So I'm actually going to get rid of them because I just don't think that these results, it's just adding another redundant word. What results are we actually talking about? Because they were talking about the two, doing better on two different types of writings. And which can also be is adding that pronoun, which I don't think we really need as well. I believe that writing as makes it clear with unnecessary wordiness. So let's check it out. So let's replace it with writing as. Okay. Also, studies have found that those students who major in philosophy often do better than students from other majors in both verbal reasoning and analytic writing as measured by standardized test scores. So it clearly shows me, it makes it more concise and pulls it together and takes out that wordiness and those results that I'm not even really sure where they came from or what they were referring to. All right, so let's look at number 43. Okay, so 43. So 43, we've got that these skills are transferable across professions, which makes them especially beneficial to 21st century students. Okay, so which is a pronoun? And so are the answers that and which and that are pronouns, and I'm not sure this sentence needs a pronoun. It's almost unnecessary because then it's going to make the sentence not have a main verb, okay? So that these skills are transferable across professions, I don't want a pronoun. So I know I'm not going to keep no change, and I'm not going to put that. And would mean that we're doing two different things, which we're not. It's one specific thing that we're doing. We're not using the conjunction and. So I would delete which, okay?